Welcome, I am Paul Porter with Discover 4x4 Adventures, official reseller for Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. And we offer any solution for mounting your phones, radios, anything you could think of, tablets. And most of our systems are integrated straight into the dash, no drilling any holes, just using double-sided tape plus existing screws that are already there. So let's show you some of the stuff. For example, right here, this is a JK dash. It's a 2011 through 18, and we're going to use a stock screw that already exists here, along with double-sided tape, super firm. Our standard phone mount is spring-loaded like this, so it's a single motion action like that. We also have magnet options, which I'll take you over here and check out. So if you put a metal backer on your phone, you can use this style of magnet. If you have the MagSafe with the ring built into it like this, that's also an option for you. So super quick and easy when you get it on your vehicle. This is personally what I use just for the convenience factor. Tablet mounts. So we have a tablet mount that handles all the big guys like that. Super easy to install. It's got a big wide jaw, so even if you have a cover, you're good to go. For our side-by-side guys, we do have these straps here that will make sure that phone goes nowhere. We also have guys maybe with Harleys and things along those lines. That's a good option for you. And then handheld radios, if you're an off-road guy like myself, you're going to want to always carry that handheld radio. We got a solution for that as well. So if you want to find me personally, Discover 4x4 Adventures, we run adventure trips all around the U.S. If you want to find Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions, just bulletpointmountingsolutions.com. And they have everything you could ever think of coming out with new items every single month. So keep an eye on that website and keep going back. There's always new items coming out, thinking of all the solutions. If there's anything you've thought of, you want to message customer service and say, hey, you guys should make this. They're really receptive to those ideas.